Need to copy and paste on iPhone? Then in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily copy and paste on iPhone. First thing first, head over to any of the page. Let's say you want to copy anything from this website. Let me copy these things. Tap on hold the text from where you want to copy and then drag it to the right side. You can adjust it later on. After that, you will find the option of copy. Click on it. Well, the text has been copied. Now move into any of the section or the page where you want to paste it. Let's say you want to paste it in the Note app. All you gotta do is tap on this cursor icon and click on paste. Once you click on paste, the things that you have copied will be pasted successfully, and then you'll be good to go. This way you can copy anything from your device and then paste it in any section you want to. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.